Hello, welcome back. So today I'm going to build the Lego Disney Arendelle Frozen Castle. Yep, so I think this castle is sort of like a castle that was in Frozen 2, I guess, but I kind of forgot. And I didn't realize this, but Anna and Elsa, they really look identical. Anyway, let's see what's inside. So we have 2 bags of Lego and 2 guidebooks and also 2 pieces of land, a blue one and the beige colored one. Okay, so first we have Elsa and her dress looks really nice. Look, so pretty, right? I especially like the dress part. Looks really nice. So this is Elsa, but I don't really like her face. I think she looks too similar to Anna. But I guess Anna and Elsa does look identical in the animation as well. So anyway, but what is kind of like unexpected is like Elsa's hair is made out of rubber because I thought it was gonna be plastic, but it's rubber, and Anna's hair is also rubber. Anyway, their outfits look so nice. Their outfits are one of the reasons why I think this set is nice because their outfits both look so amazing. But I don't really like their faces, to be honest, because they seem like so, they look so similar and they don't really seem so pretty. So I think it would have been nice if they made them a little bit more prettier. Anyway, we also have Olaf, which is really nice. Now he kind of looks ridiculous, but it's gonna be okay if we add his nose and his hair, should I say? Not really hair, but some like twigs on top of his head. Now it looks like Olaf, and we have like this little penguin doll. I'm not so sure who it is because like I just told you, I totally forgot the story. So anyway, this is Olaf and the mysterious penguin doll. So those are the dolls that's inside this set. And first we're gonna make some like sleds. So this is like what they're gonna use, like Elsa and Anna are gonna use as sort of like transportation. So it looks like this and they look the same, and it's gonna be like this, nice and small, kind of cute, right? And we're gonna put some hockey sticks next to it. I think they're not supposed to be hockey sticks, but anyway, now I have a lot of hockey sticks. I have like 4 more hockey sticks now. Okay, so now they can ride it like this. Looks very nice. Okay, so now we're going to start building this castle. So this one is for like 5-year-olds, so it's actually very simple. I think now I can sort of like guess like this said it's like how old it's for. No, like that sounds kind of weird, like how like this set is for like how much year olds. But you understand what I'm trying to say, right? So like I could like probably guess like, oh, this is for like 5-year-olds, because if it's like 4-year-olds, it's gonna be really super simple. But 5-year-old is almost as simple as for the sets that's for like 4-year-olds, but a bit more complicated. Anyway, there are some like fallen snow on the windowsill, and the door looks fantastic. I think it's gonna also be nice if I use that door for like hotels or something like that. The door looks very nice, and we've got some stuff on top of the table, like a flower and some cups and like cupcakes, and there is also a fireplace which looks nice. So the first floor is actually finished now, and we're going to make the second floor. The first floor was simple too, but the second floor is even more simpler. Anyway, simpler. Like there's lots of mint colors, and so we're gonna sort of like make a roof as well, and there's also like a big bell. And the first floor was sort of like a kitchen and like a living room, and so the second floor is gonna be a bedroom, and we're gonna have like 2 beds for Elsa and Anna. And there's a lot of fallen snow because of course it's frozen. There's a lot of rain, and not rain, snow and stuff like that. You know what? It never rained. It didn't snow this year. Like it did like really tiny bit, but not a lot, which is really disappointing because I wanted to play in the snow, but I couldn't. But anyway, we have really simple looking two beds over here, and we're gonna make some like the roof is gonna be kind of like high and like pointy mint roof. I think like the main color for this set is like white and beige in like turquoise color, and also some of like those what sort of color should I say? Like it's kind of like purple and pink mixed together. You know, the color that's in the roof, the little color that's kind of like the color that's kind of like Anna's signature color. The roof, the flag color. You know that one. That one is also kind of like the main color of this set. And so now we added a really big looking bell, and so this is the end of the building. As you can see, it looks nice. We have like 2 floors, looks very nice and cozy, and I think it's very cute. We also have some little like flat fire in the fireplace. So but I think it would have been nice if they sort of like made the bed design a little bit different, because yeah, it's kind of disappointing that they're the same, because you know Anna and Elsa, they are very different. So anyway, let's start playing with this set. Like I told you, I totally forgot the story, so I'm just gonna do like a freestyle playing, okay? So now Elsa and Anna, they came back to this what was this name? Like Arendelle Castle. Arendelle Castle. Yeah, I think it was something like that. Okay, so now they're going back inside to inside the castle. Oh my god, it's so cold outside. I know it's freezing. Ooh. Is there a fireplace, Olaf? Over there. Oh, I see. I think I should warm myself up a bit. Can you close the door? Oh yeah, sure. Do we have anything to eat? I'm so hungry. Yeah, me too. All we have is a cupcake. Again, just a cupcake? I need something better than a cupcake. But that's all we've got. I don't really need to eat because of course I'm a snowman. So you guys can have each bite, like 1 bite each. Okay. Okay, you first, Anna. Okay. Yum, 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 yum. And now you. Yum, 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 yum. There you go. Now time to go to bed. Already? I don't want to sleep yet. You should sleep early and wake up early. Okay, okay. I will wake you 2 up with this big bell. So now, good night, you 2. Now, Olaf is also going to sleep in the first floor. But just in case, he might melt, so he'll just sleep outside. Is it possible for Olaf to melt? I don't really know. Anyway, now it's the morning and ding, ding, ding. Ah, so loud. Time to wake up. And we're going to eat breakfast. Is it cupcake again? Yeah, of course. I'm getting sick of cupcake now. Come downstairs and eat breakfast. Oh, I'm still sleepy. Me too. Come on, you 2. It's time to eat breakfast. Mr. Penguin says it's time to wake up. It's the same cupcake again. I'm gonna eat a bit more this time because yesterday you definitely ate a bit more than me. I'm just gonna drink water. I mean snow to be exact, because there's no water. There you go. So Anna scooped some snow, and then she's gonna now melt the snow in front of the fireplace and make it into water. You know, snow isn't really clean. Yeah, but this is clean snow. I saw the weather forecast yesterday. So now it became water. Now, girls, it's time to go sledding. Not yet. I didn't finish eating yet. Yeah, me too. Yum, 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 yum. Are you guys ready now? Not yet. I didn't drink my water yet. Did you make water by melting snow? Of course. This water tastes good. Okay, so now time to go sledding. So now Elsa, Olaf, and Anna are going to have a nice time sledding. Oh, you know what? I also want to do sledding, but there's no snow. Very sad. Anyway, okay, so now it's already spring anyway, but Anna and Elsa, they're going to ride their sled like this, but unfortunately there's no space for Olaf, so I think maybe Anna should stand like this. There you go. Now they can all do sledding. So now this is the end of the playing, and see you next time. Bye bye!